Hi, I'm Alexis. Today I am here to tell you about the new and improved Aveneer hoop. So let's start first with hooping just your hoop. We're going to take the inner hoop and place it into the bottom. Oh, I noticed that there's an issue right here. We no longer are able to put our hoop straight down in there. You will notice that there's a new and improved lip on the front. Also, there are arrows that should match up with the top of your Aveneer hoop. So we'll slide it in and down. Once that's in there, you're going to lock your mechanisms at the top, and there's another one at the bottom. You'll notice we have a larger hoop size. We're starting off with 11 5/8 by 18 1/4. That's huge. Let's try that hooping with your quilt sandwich. First, we'll unlock your bottom, the same with the top. Remove your inner hoop. Place your quilt sandwich on top of your hoop. And this time we want to ensure that those arrows and the notches match up with the bottom inner hoop. Also, you want to ensure that your hardware is open on both top and bottom. The most important thing I like to remember when it comes to hooping is we're going to nose dive into the hoop. So with your notch, slide in. I use my fingers and I slowly walk down the sides until I am secure. Lock the top. If you have too much resistance, you can unscrew the pin. Same thing with the bottom. I'll go ahead and use my screwdriver to loosen the screw. Simply unscrew your screw. Once it's finger tight, you can now lock that into place. And as you can see, your hoop is secure and ready to stitch. Now, let's find out why this is now possible. Let's start with looking at the back. The first thing you'll notice are tabs on the outer portion, and there are also corresponding tabs on the inner portion of your hoop. Also, there are rubber strips on the inner portion of your hoop to allow for more delicate items to not slip out of place. And finally, there are two metal reinforcements to ensure no bowing of your new and improved Aveneer hoop.